So here is my ASUS VivoTab Note 8. I was going to do unboxing. I opened the box and then suddenly started updating it, and then I started installing software. I say it's much better. I use for a week and then give you my honest review. So this is after using for a week. The good thing about this tab is that you can use your Samsung S Pen, you can use the Yoga Book pen, you know, the Lenovo Yoga Book, you can use that one, you can use this one, Norris, I mean digital pencil. So yeah, you can use, you see, for example, first I want to tell you it's a 8-inch 720p to be exact. It's like 12 WXGA, which is like 1280 times 800 pixel. I cannot see a different, I mean, between 1080p and this screen, to be honest with you. It have a 2 GB RAM, Intel Atom Z3740. The problem with Lenovo Yoga Book is that it comes 4 GB, but Windows 10 is a resource hog. So mean that a lot of 4 GB Windows 10 tablet run horribly slow. This is a Windows 8.1. Let's see how well it can run. I mean, I do not have like high expectation when I bought it, but this is amazing. Windows 8.1 I think is the best operating system I ever built in terms of RAM management. So for example, now let me do like this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the RAM, how much RAM is using. Okay, task manager. By the way, it comes with its own pen which you can store sidely, which mean that you cannot easily get lost. If I'm on the go, I do not access to like big pencil, I can use this one. Okay, let me make it focus first. Okay, can we focus? Yeah. So it's the only thing is running is Skype at the background, as you can see. OneDrive Skype it running, but it's only using around 1 GB of RAM, which is amazing. I install like 4 of the web browser. Personally, I like to use Opera and Firefox. The Opera work best with touch, I mean. You put inside this one. Okay, and then now let me go to, I mean, the also another thing is that I like writing. I mean, this tablet have one of the best handwriting recognition. I mean, for example, GSM Arena ARENA. Okay, insert, enter. Yeah, I mean, I like the handwriting recognition a lot. I mean, which work really amazing. Okay, let me cross. I mean, the Opera is the best browser, one of the world's fastest browser. I mean, this support even day touch. I mean, scrolling is fine for what it is, to be honest with you. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. Let me go to IGN. Okay, not this one. Let me clear it. IGN. Okay, no, I'm doing it wrong. Let me do it. Wait. Not this one. IG. Okay, and okay, here we go. IGN. Enter. Let's go. Okay, IGN. Okay, let me just use the on-screen keyboard. IGN.com. Okay, this is LGN, not I. That's why. Yeah. Normally it work quite good. Okay, come on. IG. That's it. LGN is coming. Now here's the IGN. I mean, using the Opera is amazing. Okay, let me give some light. Yeah, I mean, it's work really amazing. I mean, so the web browser is quite good. Now you'll be thinking, Jimmy, tell us about the Photoshop. Jimmy Photoshop. Okay, let me open the Photoshop. Okay. Okay. So I'm opening the Photoshop. I am happy to use a 720p or like similar display resolution 1080p. 1080p on a 8 inches, like Photoshop is going to be small. So now you can easily use Photoshop, I mean, as you want, I mean. Okay, open, new, something like that. Yeah, let me use the brush, I mean. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing this one. Okay, let me go back, layer, edit, step backward. Okay, I'm gonna use the brush. Okay, yeah, I mean, you can easily use the Photoshop with absolutely no problem, I mean. Okay, Windows, select, filter, view, screen mode, Windows. Where's the history panel? Okay, here's the history panel. Let's go back. Okay, let me open like this. Yeah, let's go back. Let me, for example, draw like, and let me put some filter on it. Filter gallery. So yeah, the Photoshop also work quite good, to be honest with you. In a case emergency, you can use. Now what about with a video? So today I'm gonna show you. Okay, which I'm using the wrong as I'm using the wrong inside. I wanna use the micro SD card. The good thing is that you don't need any kind of stupid pin to remove or insert the SD card. You can just, I mean, easily. I really like this design a lot, I mean. Okay, here we go. Let me put inside here the SD card slot. I will be coming to camera and the build quality in a short because I want to give my honest in-depth review. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me open the pics. Okay, that is me and my wife pics. Mobile test, Note 10 wallpaper. For example, something like, okay, I mean, yeah, the display is quite good. This is IPS display. I really like it. I mean, it's quite good. I mean, the display is quite beautiful. Wow, isn't it? Wow. I mean, the display is quite good. I mean, it's IPS display. I really like it. So also I will tell you, I mean, the window button is on this side. You press this one, you go to the window. So I mean, yeah. So now I'm gonna show you the setting. It's on full brightness. You wanna go back? I just like it. I mean, okay. For example, we go back. Let me go to the ebooks. Okay. Let me open. For example, like this one is a EPUB. I didn't install EPUB, but I'm going to open the PDF file. You can install the EPUB from the store or you can download. Okay, the PDF file will render also quite well. I mean, it's a heavy PDF file, as you can see. Okay, the mobile revolution is another heavy PDF file. Okay, means it's working quite good. I mean, you can see pinch to zoom. Okay, it's working quite good, to be honest with you. Now what about the music, sound? Okay, so it's playing quite good, to be honest with you. Now playing. Let me put on full volume. So yeah, it can play quite good, to be honest with you. Let me use this one. Let me play with the window media player. Okay, if you wanna close the app, you just do like this. No, not like this. Again, just a little bit swipe and back swipe. Let me close this one. Okay. Okay, here we go. And the swipe is closed. Let me close the mobile revolution. Just put like this. You will do it quick. Okay. Again, if you don't do quick, it will open. So yeah, this is the desktop version of Windows Media Player, which is the sound is good, to be honest with you. Nothing against sound. Now for the videos. Okay, can it play the 4K or not? 4K. I don't think so. It can handle 4K. Let me see the quad core. I mean Atom processor. Let me see, can it handle the 4K or not? I don't think so. It can handle 4K. Okay. Let me use the another app if I can. VLC. Let me see, play the VLC. I don't. It's handling 4K. Okay. Let me move to here. Yeah, it's handling. It can handle 4K. Okay, it can handle 4K. It can handle 4K. I'm happy. Okay, it can handle 4K in VLC. You can play 4K. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But what about some another video? Something like 1080p. So yeah, it can handle. You will be thinking I'm lying. I'm not lying. This is indeed 4K. Let me show you properties. Detail. You see, it's for 4K. So I mean, this tablet is amazing, especially for gaming. It's a 64GB Windows 8.1. I mean, I love using Windows. Isn't this amazing, to be honest with you? Yeah. I mean, this tablet, this is the best 8-inch tablet ever built. This is a must buy, especially for gaming, playing all the game. Amazing. Now for the build quality is the one of the best. I can easily put in my cargo pant. I mean, this one. Amazing. The build quality is amazing. The 8 megapixel camera is amazing. The speaker is not that loud, but overall, I just love it. I just love it. I think ASUS nailed it. The ASUS VivoTab Note. The Note 8 is a must buy. I mean, I just love it. I mean, I will just say so. It was me, G. Subscribe and bye.